reviews best cruiser motorcycles for long-distance riding. BMW R Transcontinental. Good evening, and welcome to our show. Tonight, we're diving into the world of luxury touring motorcycles, specifically those that excel in long-distance riding. We have a real gem to showcase, the BMW R Transcontinental. This modern classic offers a unique blend of heritage and cutting-edge technology, making it a top choice for discerning riders. Background and description. The BMW R Transcontinental is a powerful and comfortable touring motorcycle designed for long-distance travel. It's powered by a 1,802 cubic centimeters boxer engine that delivers a smooth and torquey performance, perfect for highway cruising. Key features and benefits. Powerful engine. The R Transcontinental's engine provides ample power and torque for effortless acceleration and highway cruising. Advanced electronics, features like cruise control, heated grips and seats, and a premium audio system enhance the riding experience. Comfortable ergonomics. The relaxed riding position, plush seat, and adjustable windscreen make for long-distance comfort. Spacious storage, ample storage space in the saddlebags and top case for long journeys. Reverse gear, makes maneuvering the heavy bike in tight spaces much easier. Design and aesthetics. The R Transcontinental has a classic cruiser design, with a sleek and aerodynamic shape. Its chrome accents and bold styling give it a timeless appeal. Target audience and relevance. The R Transcontinental is ideal for riders who are looking for a luxurious and comfortable touring motorcycle with a classic aesthetic. Its powerful engine, advanced technology, and iconic design make it a top choice for those who want to hit the open road in style. Expert reviews. The R Transcontinental has received positive reviews from both critics and riders. Many praise its powerful engine, comfortable ride, and luxurious features. One reviewer from Motorcyclist magazine said, "The R Transcontinental is a fantastic choice for riders who want a premium touring motorcycle. It's comfortable, powerful, and a lot of fun to ride." Comparison to other touring motorcycles. When compared to other popular touring motorcycles, the BMW R Transcontinental stands out for its unique blend of classic styling and modern technology. Its powerful engine, comfortable ergonomics, and advanced features make it a top choice for discerning riders. Conclusion. The BMW R Transcontinental is a well-rounded touring motorcycle that offers a great combination of style, performance, and comfort. Its advanced features, including the reverse gear, make it a practical and convenient choice for long-distance travel. So, if you're looking for a luxurious and capable touring motorcycle, the R Transcontinental is definitely worth considering.